Welcome to another monthly tip or trick video, and this month it's kind of both. It's a tip and a trick. It involves using some bolts, a cardboard box, some paint, and some type of rust remover slash solvent slash penetrating oil. So what all of this is for is if you want to paint the heads of some bolts. And this seems like a really simple thing, and I imagine a lot of you guys already know about this trick. But I'm making this video because I've seen quite a few people holding the bolt and spraying while holding the bolt. This I was using for some type of weight or something. That's why it's painted on the threads and everything. So yeah, this helps you prevent that. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our box and we're going to open one side of it. You can cut the sides off of it. Oh, don't knock the camera over. You don't have to cut the sides off, but you can if you want. You can just fold it open if you like, if it'll stay flat. Okay, this will stay flat, so we'll just go with that. What we're going to do is we're going to make a couple holes. We're going to figure out how many bolts we want to paint and how big they are. So just make a couple small little holes here. That should be enough for demonstration. Then we're going to take our bolts and say, you know, they're just plain bolts like this. Push them through the hole. You want to make sure they're tight in there, that they don't fall out. Anyway, there we go. You just have your bolts through there. And if all you want to do, if they're like brand new bolts, then you just take this outside, settle on something, and then you just spray them. And then you can spray at an angle to get the sides of the bolts and all that stuff. And you don't paint the threads, and you don't paint your fingers. The reason why I cut the bottom off of the box is you can look in here. You can either cut these flaps as well or just hold the box open. Say before you paint, if these were some older, like crusty and rusted up bolts similar to this, of course, take like a wire brush or a wire wheel or something and try to get the rust off of there. Or if you don't want to do that and you just want to try to get a little bit off there, take something like PB Blaster or something and just give them a light spray. I say a light spray because if you spray a whole lot, it will soak through the box. But just a light spray and then flip it back over. You can paint the heads of the bolts and then let it set out. And while the heads of the bolts are drying, the penetrating oil is working on the other side, removing the rust. So that's it. That's another monthly tip or trick. I know this was kind of simple and short, but like I said, I've actually seen some people sitting there, you know, holding bolts by hand and painting them, either with like a little paintbrush or spray paint and painting their hand. Some of them had gloves on at least. If you haven't seen any of the other monthly tip or trick videos, these come out every third Friday of the month. I have another monthly series called Product of the Month that comes out every second Sunday of the month. So make sure to go into my channel and check out a couple of those videos. I've got all kinds of different stuff in there as well. Jeep build videos, how-to videos, reviews, all kinds of different stuff. So make sure to check out a couple videos. If you find a video that you like, hit the like button. If you have something to say, leave it down in the comments. And if you find a couple videos that you like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.